to Gigi's Recipes. My name's Amanda Blaylock, and Gigi was my great-grandma. She was also a registered dietitian who wrote her own cookbooks. And in these videos, we explore her cookbooks and try a new recipe each week. Today we're making crab soup. This recipe appears in a lot of Gigi's cookbooks, but this specific one is from Food Tips for a Healthy Lifestyle, so it's low carb and low fat. Let's get started. Pour 1 can of low-sodium tomato soup and 1 can of pea soup into a pan and let them warm up together. The finished product will only be as good as the soups you choose, so choose a couple good ones. Then you'll add 1.5 cups of skim milk and your crab meat. Then you can add whatever seasonings you like. I added a little bit of Old Bay, but add whatever flavors you like. Mix everything together and let it get bubbly and warm. Add a little sherry just before serving. This recipe makes 4 servings, and it's only 186 calories per serving. I hope you all liked the crab soup. If you did, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more Gigi's Recipes.